Good day. Today we're going to learn how to use Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaborative tool between colleagues. It can be used with people within the office or people who are working remotely. All you need is an internet connection. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to log in. Before you do this, you're going to need a valid Microsoft license to get access. Enter your credentials. Enter your password. Once entered, you get this loading screen. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a team site, which can be found under the Teams tab far left. As you can see, we already have existing channels, but for the purpose of this demo, we're going to create one. To do this, we're going to select Create a Team. Click Create Team. Here, you can select whether you want to build it from your Office 365 group or build it from scratch. For the sake of this demo, we're going to select the latter. We're once again given two options, whether we want this team to be public or private. We're going to choose private, as this will allow us to tailor the permissions according to the team's needs. Here, you may give your team a name and also add a description. Once completed, you may click the Create button. Microsoft will let you know once we're ready for the next step. Here, you'll be given the option to add team members. You may do this by typing their names in the space given. You've noticed that Microsoft provides an autofill feature. Click Add to confirm, and we're going to add one more team member. Click Add to confirm. On the right-hand side, you may select the credential status of members, giving them ownership, which allows for full rights, or leaving them as members with limited rights. Once you're happy with the members added, you may click Close. Your team is now created, and you can add members at a later stage. We're now going to explore the communication functions of Teams. You can easily communicate with your team members by clicking the Start Conversation tab at the bottom. Here, you may also address a team member directly. I'm going to mention Susan. To do this, I'm going to add an @ sign before her name, select the name, and insert the message. You may also add any attachments, GIFs, or images. Once completed, you may click the Send button. She will get a notification about this new message she needs to attend to. Now, all these features we've gone through are under the Posts section. We're going to move on to the File section. This section we've moved to is similar to platforms such as OneDrive and SharePoint. Files gives you the ability to upload documents, and these documents can be worked on by more than one person. This eliminates the tedious task of multiple uploads. For example, if the same document is going to be amended, it can be done in Teams and it will auto-update. You can also create folders in which respective documents can be saved. Each folder has options such as rename, delete, and download. You may also copy the link and share the folder with somebody else. When inside the folder, you may add documents by clicking the Upload button, or alternatively, drag and drop the file here. Exhibit A. I also want to show you a fun, useful feature in this section called the Checkout feature. The Checkout feature allows you to prevent team members from working on a document, only offering view-only options. To access this, right-click the document, select the More option, and click Checkout. Please note, this option is reversible. Now I'm going to show you how to create a meeting request. There's two ways of doing this. One is through Outlook, and the other is through Teams. For the sake of this demo, we'll be doing the latter. Firstly, select the calendar option far left. I'm going to click on the New Meetings option, top right. Here, you may fill out the details about the meeting. Details such as the meeting name, the length of the meeting, location and time zones, and of course, required attendees. Once done, you may click the Save button top right, and the meeting request will sync with the calendars of all required attendees. They will also receive an invitation notice. A different way to host meetings is via the Calls feature. In order to host a call meeting, you need internet connectivity and a call list. To do this, select the Call tab at the left side of the screen. Click on Contacts and then add contacts. Type the name of the contact and then click Add. This contact is now part of your contact list. You can now call, message, email, or video call them anytime. You can also have more than one user on a phone call. The last thing I'm going to show you is the chat feature. Similar to the call feature, you can only chat with people in your Outlook contact list. You can chat with the whole team or individual members. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the basics of Microsoft Teams. For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.